Hi, it's Carrie Griffiths here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can build vocal stamina, and I'm going to give you some exercises that are going to build you up, whether you're a beginner, have some experience, or whether you're a professional singer. Now, there are some people who have been singing for a long time. Maybe you've had some illness, or you've had a break from singing, or something's happened that means that you've not been able to sing for a while, and you're now coming back to building up that stamina. This is going to work for you, as well as those people who just sing for fun, who sing at karaoke's, or who are function band singers, singer-songwriters, or anyone who loves singing. This is going to work for you. Now, before we dive in, remember to hit the subscription button and remember to hit the notification bell. Now, if you would like to work with me personally on your singing so that you can improve your singing and build your confidence, do join me in the Singing Hub, in the Singing Genius Hub. I'm going to put the link in the pinned comment at the top, and I'll also put it in the description. This is not an on-demand course. It's a combination of on-demand lessons that you can take at any time. You will also get some live real-time training with me where I'm going to teach you a specific technique and you'll get a chance to sing for me, and I will give you live real-time feedback within the Singing Genius Hub. It's a really flexible, budget-friendly, time-friendly way for you to work on building your vocal skills, your performance skills, and your confidence. I look forward to seeing you in there. The link is in the pinned comment as well. So why do we need vocal stamina in the first place? Well, it's very important to build stamina because, like any other physical activity, singing uses the whole of your body. It's not just this tiny little bit in your throat here, in your larynx, right? Your larynx, your voice box. It uses the whole of your body. And although singing in principle is simple, it can be quite strenuous as well. It takes a lot of energy to be able to give a good, enjoyable and energetic vocal performance. So stamina is going to help you to be able to sing day after day, or night after night if you're touring, and day after day if you're recording or doing a live performance. And it's also going to help you to be able to sing for a long performance, an hour or more. So I'm going to give you some exercises now that are going to help you to build that stamina up. So what you need to make sure is that when you are using these exercises, that you're practicing using different techniques. So I would suggest maybe 1 week work on a technique like maybe head voice, and then the next week maybe chest voice, and the next week maybe mixed voice if you're at that level. Then maybe on belting if you're at that level and you've been trained properly by someone who knows how to train belting, or whichever technique you're working on at this time. Use that technique for these exercises, and that will build your stamina for that technique. So of course, before you do these, make sure that you've warmed up. Make sure that your throat, your neck and your shoulders are relaxed. We don't want any tension at all. Tension is the enemy of singing. And if you are a beginner, or if you're coming back to singing after some time away or after an injury or an illness, start little and often. We're going to start on a small vowel that has a small amount of space in your mouth so it's easier to control. We're going to start on E. And I'm going to pulse the beat. And you're going to sing a continuous note. So it's going to sound like this. And E. Make sure that you sing to the end of the fourth beat. So you stop at, if you were to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're off on 5 because we want to sing the full beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how music works when it's written down. So that's how we should sing as well. So here we go. 5, 6, 7. And here we go. 6, 7, and. Use the techniques that you're learning to navigate through your range. Only go as high as you can, especially when you're warming up. Oh, you should be warmed up already, but and back down. I think I've sped up. Sorry. Keep going. We're not quite at middle C yet, so it's not as low as you think. Back to where we started. Keep going. You can sing lower than you think. Last one. Back down. going if you can. You can sing lower than you think. Last one. Okay, now we're going to move on to 12 beats. And for your information, this metronome is set at 70 beats per minute. I'll put the link in the description. Now, if you have more control, then you can move on to other vowels like oo, or r. And as you build the control, move through the vowels and remember to come back and keep practicing each vowel. Here we go. And. 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one. going, you're doing really well. Last one. Now, if you practice that with all of the techniques that you are learning or have learned, you're going to find that your voice is much more controlled, much stronger, and you're going to build stamina. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Do remember to hit the like button and tell me what you liked most, how much it's helping you, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!